Nicola, how does Tata sleep?
I don't know.
What does he sound like when he sleeps?
Still.
What's that noise?
I don't know.
Is that Tata snoring?
Those are your sock.
That is my sock. Does Tata snore?
Yeah.
What does Tata snoring sound like?
This.
Does Mama snore?
With this.
Do we keep you up at night?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that. Can you hear us through the wall?
Yeah.
Is it scary?
Yeah. No.
No, it's not scary? Oh, are you going to put my sock on?
You put your sock on.
Okay, I'll put that sock on.
I don't. You.